Hey there, Nintendo Switch lovers. Today, we're taking a look at the Toclic Switch TV docking station with Joycon charger. This is a fantastic alternative to the official Switch dock, compatible with both the Nintendo Switch and the Nintendo Switch OLED. It's powered by a 15V 2.6 AAC adapter, giving you flexibility in your choice of adapters. But that's not all. This docking station also doubles as a Joy-Con charging dock, capable of charging 4 additional Joy-Cons and storing 10 games in one convenient place. Plus, it's designed to fit Switch dockable case, providing protection against scratches and damages. With a one-key switch function, extra USB 3.0 port, and support for 4K, 1080p, and 480p video output, the Toclic Switch docking station is the perfect addition to your gaming setup. And with the ability to store up to 6 Joy-Cons, 10 Switch games, and the console itself, it's incredibly convenient for travel and organization. So, if you're ready to take your Nintendo Switch gaming experience to the next level, be sure to check out the Toclic Switch TV docking station with Joycon charger. You can find the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this must-have accessory for any Switch lover. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gaming reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.